In this video, I will show you how to create a Remitly account. First, just go and install the Remitly app on your phone, and from there, once you get to this screen, just choose where you are from first. So for me, for example, I'll select the United States, and then at the bottom where it says to, select where you want to send money to. Now you can always change this, but for example, I'll say India. From there, it will ask if it can use remitly.com to sign in. Now if I click continue, from here, it will then take me to this section where I can create a Remitly profile. From here, just enter an email address, password, and confirm your password, or continue with Google or Apple. After doing that, you will then have created your Remitly account, and you may also need to enter some personal details such as your first and last name and address. So that's how to create your Remitly account. Now we can also do this on desktop by going to remitly.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.